Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another version of one of my most viewed squishy tutorials, the apple in a bag squishy. If anyone has watched this, then let me know down in the comments, because I made this squishy in 2024 and it has over 1.5 million views. Can you believe that? So anyway, today we're making the jumbo baby corn version, which I think is even cuter. So to make the little baby jumbo corn, what you're going to need to do is take some paper, fold it in half, and then draw out this rough corn shape, a little corn kernel if you so please. I absolutely love sweet corn at the moment. I don't know what it is. I'm addicted to eating it. I'm addicted to little characters made out of it. I want to make little clay charms. I think it's so cute. Okay, what can I say? So what you're going to need to do is cut out two of the same shape. So for me, I folded over my piece of paper, I sketched it out and I cut that out so I had two equal pieces. I then got to colouring. So the outside edge, I coloured that in a darker yellow and then filled in the inside of the corn with this lighter yellow shade. I did think that my alcohol marker at this point was going to run out, but luckily we made it in the end. To add the shading onto the bottom piece of the corn, I actually just used a very pale yellow acrylic paint marker, and I basically just did this the same on the other piece. I also made sure to do the same colouring on the other side of each piece as well, so that all four sides of the corn piece basically had the same shade. On one side I added this cute face, so I added white around the eyes, I added some really big black pupils and a tiny little black mouth in between. I also added a little highlight with an acrylic paint marker as well. Next, to turn this into a squishy, I just used an offcut of memory foam. This here was actually an offcut from yesterday's video, me making that cute little baby bell squishy, so if you haven't seen that already, that will be linked down in the pinned comments, so if you can watch that after this one, I'd be highly grateful. So what I did with this piece of foam was I just hot glued it in between both pieces of the corn design to turn it into a little squishy. I then coloured in the foam so that it just blended in a little bit better, again with an acrylic paint marker in a yellow colour, just so that it blended a bit better. Wasn't that necessary, but I think this looks good. So once I was happy with the actual little squishy piece, I then took a clear cello bag, popped in the jumbo baby corn inside of there and sealed it on up. To turn this into the most cutest little packaging and actually just make it a little bit more slow rising, a little bit cuter of an actual squishy, what I did here was created a header card. So I just took a piece of paper, folded it over, cut it down to size, then just popped it over the edge and cut it to the size of the bag basically. Then opened it up and just started going at my design. Just went with what came out of my brain. So I wrote the word corn using a black acrylic paint marker, filled in the rest with this darker yellow shade, which is again the same yellow that I used on the edge of the actual corn itself. I just felt like this would tie in a bit better with the actual corn and just tie everything together. Next I added a few little details, you know, like shadows and stuff around the text. I felt like the text needed to be thicker, so I went and did that. I added a few extra words, so across the top I wrote jumbo and baby in a white acrylic paint pen, and then on the back I decided to colour that all in the same dark yellow shade and add a few more details there. So I actually made a faux barcode, I stuck that on, added some text, just handwritten text on there, then I covered the whole thing in clear tape just to make it shiny. Now obviously this tutorial is supposed to be a no tape squishy. You don't have to use tape here at all. I just did this to make it shiny. To attach the header card, I actually just used two staples, popped them over the seal of it and then just stapled it down into place, and with that being done, my squishy was then complete. So this is how it looks. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I think the corn itself is so cute, so sweet. I love the little squishiness of it in its little packet as well. I think it looks like a proper little product, especially with its little barcode along the back. I absolutely love that. I honestly think that you could apply this same technique to pretty much any design that you would actually want to do. So if you have any designs that you would like to see me make, then please leave them down in the comments below. I would love to hear your requests, and I would love to make something maybe just specially for you. Let me know what you think of the baby corn though. I think this is so cute. Like, I actually think it's adorable. I feel like it needs almost like a little dummy in its mouth to make it like a proper little baby corn. I think that would be cute anyway. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I shall see you very soon for another video. Bye.